Hello gamers, this is a short video on the highlights of D&D Direct 2023. Oh my god, that's exciting. Yes please. They already did a Skyrim one of course. But yeah, that is great. I mean, Minecraft Dungeons was meant to be based on Dungeons and Dragons. Yes, that looks great. I wonder how the game plays though. Is it like Minecraft Story mode? Looks like a big game. Huh, that's really surprising and
there are many dangers
great.
When you adventure.
Just awesome.
Menzo Baranzan is a prison. I am fortunate to have escaped. It is my hope that someday this place can be cast open, its citizens freed from their captor.
Nice, I haven't logged in on that game for quite a while, but I do enjoy it when I get into it.
Gina?
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going?
This is amazing. You guys ready to play some D&D?
Yes. Oh, yes.
So we've got 4 really cool characters here. Is anyone thinking about anything specifically as you're looking at these?
I'm thinking Dorbin. I like his beard and I want to be a bearded man today.
Nice. Nice. All right, so you
Are you having fun dragging him around?
Oh, yeah. It's a blast.
I've actually had the sorcerer I've been wanting to play for forever. Is there a way I can just port it in?
Yeah, is it on D&D Beyond?
Yep.
Okay, sweet. There we go. All
Money.
looked up and ready to go.
Woo, huzzah!
There's a lot of ways to play D&D online, and not all of them are hitting the big 3 things that we think were important: fun, convenience, and
giving us money.
Oh, hello, welcome to the inn. Have a seat. I'll get some refreshments. What would you have?
A nice grog would be nice. I'm really warm. I was standing real close to the fireplace. You have good wood. Your wood is good.
Well, you're not going to sit at that big table where you could play with miniatures and get all your laptops out, are you?
Damn rats! And he kicks the wall.
I'd like to roll perception to see if I can figure out where the sound is coming from.
Yeah, so you want to go to the walls and kind of look around. Fire breaks out. The whole inn shudders a little bit.
Dorbin, do the rats you encounter normally move buildings?
Not anyone that I've seen.
There might be more to this than rats.
What I want to do is connect all my friends and play with them. They're on their computers, they're on their phones, they're on their game consoles, but we're all together playing through the same virtual tabletop. So that's the dream right there.
Yeah.
Ceiling crashes down. Everybody make a dex save.
Oh, okay.
So that's under dexterity. It'll be at the top up there.
I like how the dice rolls in the game.
Solid 9.
So now you roll 2 dice.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay.
Well, let's see how cool it is after you roll.
I know.
We're in Unreal 5, which is latest, greatest. But now we're actually testing with friends of people who work at Wizards and their families. It's got spells, it's got effects, it's got a lot more rules in it, so those sort of things are.
I don't know whether I like it or
I'll
not.
go over to this flame here and sort of rub my hands together and go, all right, please work, please work, please work. And I'm going to cast Control Flames
Nice.
to extinguish them.
We're just trying to like show you where the rules are, not being like, oh, once you get to the end of that, you can't move anymore, because that's not really D&D to us. It's like, if your DM's okay with it and you want to do a flip and land on the table, then that's just how the game gets played. Yeah, go ahead. Just put yourself right up on top of the roof.
I have the high ground now.
The ground shakes, trembles, and an insect-like beast comes out with gnashing pincers.
Oh, wait.
That's quite cool.
We can have the DM be able to set the mood, set the lighting. What time of day is it? Is it raining? You know, is there fire
That's quite good.
embers falling from the sky? We just want to enable people to play the way they want to. Let's go into encounter mode now, which means that we're all going to roll initiative. So, oh, and look, the DM dice. 2 20s. No. It always happens. So he's going to turn around and actually acid spray the kobolds.
Oh my god, stop. Really?
D&D is the first mod community.
Yes.
Right? Like, if you go all the way back. We're going to make our own content, but we want to make that content out of building blocks that everybody can break apart and make their own content from, because that remix is like...
But that's on top of being a DM. You have to make the whole
Use my long sword.
sceneries as well.
Here we go.
Hello.
Well, that got its attention.
Oh no.
You might want to just give this one up and run.
So with these tools that you're going to hand to the players, is there a way for the community to share assets?
The strength of it is the community, and the community creating everything. And we create stuff, and then the community tries to one-up us, and then we try to one-up the community, right? Like, that's a big part of it. And, you know, having that sort of marketplace where you can just, like, download other people's stuff and check it out, I think that's, like, a core to
I don't know,
the
it's
experience.
D&D in person, rolling real dice, moving real models, all theatre of the mind. That's D&D for me.
Put everything in the monster manual in it. We want you to be able to, you know, play the game as it's written.
I have 8 hit points. I don't do physical activity.
Miss 18. Ooh. Slam down to the left and right of you.
I feel like it's so perfect to come in and be able to visualize and see everything and hear everything. That's what my favorite thing about this whole VTT is.
There's always like a group of people that want to take that, you know, 5-hour prep, and there's people like me that just like, give me an in, some characters, and I'm playing. Oh, there we go. Two dice.
Let's go. So I think the big question is, when are we getting the virtual tabletop?
Next, we're just going to open it up slowly to more and more people so that hopefully a lot of the people listening will be able to play it this year.
I hope that you are so very proud of this because I was in awe.
I am glad that you guys like it. And you never know, right? That's where I'm at with the developers. Like, I need the feedback. I need the loop.
Okay, yeah, I look forward to trying that.
Let's start with Keys from the Golden Vault, a burglar's
Got it.
lesson of daring heists. One of the 13 adventures takes place in Revel's End, the bleak prison that features in the upcoming D&D movie Dungeons & Dragons: Honor Among Thieves.
Next, we'll marvel at wondrous legends and giant civilizations in the book Bigby Presents Glory of the Giants. Bigby, another timeless
I will be getting
figure
that
from D&D's
to review.
multiverse, will expand on the origins of giants and their titanic struggles with each other as they vie for power.
After that, we'll further explore the mystery of the obelisks that have cropped up in so many of
Cool.
our adventures. Phandelver and Below, the Shattered Obelisk, marks our return to Phandalin, where a mysterious obelisk begins to unleash monstrous danger beneath the earth.
Next up is Planescape.
Interested?
in the
Yes, I want to
multiverse.
get that.
In this book, we'll return to Sigil, a place where anything can happen. It's a city where everyone and everything is together, and as we know, that can lead to, well, disagreements. This realm of possibilities is full of wild and weird planes of existence for you to explore and sets up our major adventure in 2024.
And we'll end this year with a closer look at a magic item that has been a delightful source of chaos in D&D, the Deck of Many Things. For the first time, we're delving into the multiverse-spanning story behind this bedlam-causing, campaign-rocking item.
Remember, the D&D multiverse is always expanding. Even with so many new stories coming to light, there's still so much more to explore.
And so many more stories to tell. A major D&D villain will be making his long-awaited return in the not-too-distant future. Dare we utter his name?
Those of you who've watched Stranger Things may know Vecna as an otherworldly monster, but this villain's true cosmic horror will be unleashed in 2024 with a world-hopping adventure that both celebrates our 50-year history
please.
and reveals
I like that.
even deeper plots for years to come.
Vecna's reign of terror is just one example of the interconnected storytelling that can be found in D&D. Every new product is a chance for us to build on earlier work and plant new seeds for the future.
It's true. Vecna is just the beginning. You're going to see so many more surprising connections emerge during the next 5 years.
For example, the Red Wizards, whose evil is on display in the D&D movie, will have their own epic story in 2025.
Ooh.
And speaking of villains in red, fans of the Dungeons & Dragons cartoon will be pleased to hear that the red-clad sorcerer Venger, that show's main antagonist, will return in a D&D adventure.
And let's not forget the League of Malevolence, an assemblage of villains introduced in the wild beyond the Witchlight. These villains seek power across the multiverse, and you will learn more about them and their members in the years and stories to come.
There
Cool.
are so many
I'm a sucker
future
for it all.
secrets and stories that we can't possibly cover them all here. We can't wait to reveal them to you one by one.
Thank you for supporting, sharing, and telling these incredible stories with us. D&D fans are truly the heart of this brand. What we write, you bring to life.
And the most exciting twists and turns in Dungeons & Dragons are still ahead. Here's to the next leg of the adventure.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Here's to 50 more.
Yeah, 50 more. Let's
Goodbye,
go.
everyone.
Well, alright. Yeah, there's some good products in there. I mean, as I say, I am a sucker for all those things. The books particularly. The VTT, I'm very on the fence about. We'll see what happens with that. Magic the Gathering just keeps on being, you know, played for money. But I guess that's what it's all about. The movie, the documentary, Joe Manganiello doing whatever he does with the documentary and then maybe a series. Yes, that'd be great. He knows his stuff when it comes to that. Standouts are Minecraft though, for sure. Is that going to be a DLC? Is it going to be a standalone game? Minecraft Legends is about to be released in April. So, you know, are they completely different things? Are tie-ins? Just thumbs up all round. But of course, a lot of the community, when I polled them this afternoon, were not interested. The ship has sailed for them, and they're not excited about any more Wizards products, especially with Hasbro charging ahead with the direction. So, I don't know, we'll see what happens. I guess they're relying on new people to come on board now. But I'm afraid I'm a sucker. As much as I have all the sympathy and empathy with the creators who almost got shafted, I'm a sucker for product. And I love D&D. Hopefully Hasbro End will improve and show that they're not all evil, but it's a consumerist market. It's a business. And I just want to play in the sandbox. So that's what I'm going to continue to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.